Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Holly's Garage. This one's going to be super short and simple. I figured I'd just show you in case, if you never had a Blazer, or if you're always curious how they, how the tops come on and off. I've got my 88 Jimmy, but the Blazer, it's K5 Jimmy, K5 Blazer, all the same stuff. And I'm going to put the top back on. I took it off for summer. Fall's here. Tonight it's supposed to get down to like 38 degrees, so I figured I'd throw the top back on so I don't freeze the kids off out the back. And I'll just show you a video of how I do it. So check it out. Alright, so we got the old skid steer here. I don't know if you saw in other videos, but I bought this thing not too long ago. Changed all the filters, fluids, did some maintenance stuff to it. And it's serving me well so far. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to throw the top up on the top of the Blazer, and that's about it. Here she is, the old Jimmy. Looks cool with the top off of it, but we'll throw this on there. Alright, so she's kind of on there. Let's see. So there's, I forget how many bolts there were. There's not many. I think there's maybe 8 or 10 total. And then you got these guide pins here. You can see them in the back, and that'll line up with a hole in your cap there. And then you got your other holes. Which these are, I don't know what these are for. But they're not for this. Yeah, so that's it. So basically, you would just slide this. And this thing's not really super light. It's kind of awkward with one hand. The easiest thing I think I've found with caps usually is, let's see, just to hop in the back of the truck and use your back. Try to use your back to lift it. You have to go to the front and lift up. Got one, got two. Alright. So she's on there. It's simple as that. Won't take you long. Freaking got some mice in here now too. Unless it's, I don't know if it was like that or what, I forget. I'll have to vacuum it out and check, but I think they're new mice. Because this was in the garage next to my house, which is just, seem to always have mice in there. But that's it. So the pins are lined up. They were in here. They fall down under there. So now you just line these holes up, and that's it. You can see the holes up there. Make sure they're all lined up, and you just shoot them in, and then you have this here. that's for your lighting here. You just plug that power cord back in there, and she's ready to go. So that was a quick and easy way to explain how to do this. And you know, if you've never taken it off and you're always worried about it, I had another Blazer and I was always worried, like, man, if I take this thing off, the bed sides are just gonna, you know, fold off of it, and they probably wouldn't have happened. I should have done it, but yep, there she is. Looks kind of shiny on the camera, looks decent, but it's really not the prettiest paint job, but it'll work. Alright, so then you go through, and kind of hard to tell. I mean, you can't see it with this camera really. But basically, stick a screwdriver in there. The on the other end, there's a piece that slides back and forth. You just take a screwdriver, get that piece that it's kind of like a nut or something on the opposite side. You see this won't line up now. So you just take your screwdriver, wiggle it in there, get it lined up with that hole, and now we'll take it. You do that the whole way around. The top, all the ones that mount to the front, they're longer bolts, and I probably will bolt that, get those tight first. That way I know it's got a good seal against the ceiling and the roof. And then after that, then you go ahead and tighten everything else up. So we'll get all them tightened up, and that's it. Well, thanks for checking out this quick episode, I guess you can call it, of Holly's Garage. Didn't really do a whole lot, but we got the cap on the old girl, and she's looking pretty good. Now it's probably just going to sit inside for the winter, and want to get the rockers done on it, and just a few odds and ends inside here and there, and got to do a cleaning overall. But that's it for her for now, and thanks for checking that out. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see more, there's a bell. You hit that, and that'll let you know next time I put a video up. Might be of this, might be of other square bodies, or some other stuff I'll work on. A lot of junk. And hit that thumbs up if you liked what you saw, or shoot some comments if you have questions or anything like that. Feel free to put them in there, because I'm always checking them out. Thanks again.